Here's another one, white, green, and orange. This belongs here because it's between the green center, the orange center, and the white center. Again, the move that we need to use is this, except we do not want to push this edge out of the way. So now that it's on the right, you want to bring it out of the way by bringing it to the left here. Then what we can do is bring this edge up and then bring this corner back where it used to be and then bring it down. Okay, so we have two corners fixed now, and that is how to solve it if it's on the top. Now we have a corner here, it's red, blue, and white, except now the white is on the top. This corner needs to go here between the blue, red, and white, except now there's no way you can bring it down without having it in the correct orientation. To fix this, we just want to bring the white to either of these two positions. How I do this is you put the corner on your right here, you bring it up, turn the top twice, and then bring the right side back down. So what we have now is the corner right here with the white sticker on the side. So now this corner needs to go here, blue, red, and white, and we place the white sticker facing towards you, bring it out of the way, bring this edge up, return the corner, and then bring it down. Okay, so that. Okay, I'm sorry about that. The camera just died. So, just to finish up what I was doing last time, we have one more corner, and here we have white, red, green. It belongs here. So same thing. You face the white sticker towards you. You want to bring it out of the way first. Bring this edge up. Place the corner, and then bring it back down. So after that, you should have one whole layer. One more thing you should learn is what to do if you have a corner that's in the bottom but twisted incorrectly. So we have here red, white, blue. It's in the right place because we have white, red, blue, except it's twisted incorrectly because this white's here, not on the bottom. So the easiest way to do this is just to take it out. How we do this is you just bring it up, turn it in any direction, so I'll turn it to the left, and then you want to fix the edge that we took out, so bring this white red edge back down. So now the corner that used to be here is now on the top, so we just do what we did before, place it over where it needs to go, face the white sticker towards you. It needs to go this way, so we bring it out of the way by bringing it to the right, bring this edge up, bring the corner back, and then fix it. And after this you should have one entire layer. Now that you have one layer, you're ready to move on to step 3. Since we have one layer, of course the next thing we need to do is to get 2 layers. When this is done, your cube should look something like this. Basically, to do this, all you need to do is to solve these 4 edges in the middle layer. And then after that is done, we should have 2 full layers completed. The way to do this is to take the corner back out, but in the process match it up with the edge that it belongs with. So in this example, the red and green edge belongs here, and that edge is right here. What we want to do is to bring it so that it matches with the center, and then figure out where it needs to go. So this red and green needs to go here, to the right. Okay, to match it up with the corner, what we do is we bring it away from where it needs to go. So it needs to go to the right. So what we do is we turn it to the left instead. Now, to match up the corner and the edge, what we do is when we bring the corner up to the back here and then back down. So now we took this corner out, but now it's in the top layer and it's also matched up with this corresponding edge. So now all you need to do is put the corner back in, similar to the way you did in step 2. So we point the white sticker towards you, move it out of the way, up, back where it used to be, and then down. And you'll see that now this edge is in the correct place. Whenever you're doing this, always look for a edge on the top that belongs in the middle layer. So basically any edge on the top that does not have a yellow sticker. So this one, for example, is orange and blue, and it belongs here. So what we do is first we match up this blue sticker, like so, and now it needs to go to the left. So same thing as before, except mirrored. So it needs to go to the left, so we turn the top to the right. Bring this corner up to the back and back down. And then now that these are paired, same thing. You want to put this corner back in here. So face this towards you. It's on the right, so we bring it to the left. Bring this up, place the corner, bring it back down. So now we have this edge and this edge solved. Okay, one more. Orange and green needs to go here. So match up the green, and then same thing. Out of the way, corner up to the back, then front. And then these are matched up, place the corner. And now this is done. Now, here's our last one. We have a flipped edge. To do this, we need to take it back out to the top and then bring it back in. To do this, pick any edge, so let's say this one, and we place it in as if it needed to go here. So just bring this edge out of the way, bring the corner up, so up to the back, down, and then place this corner like before, so just like that. And now we can see that this edge is in here, and the edge that needed to go here is now on the top. And then you just repeat. So this needs to go here, bring the corner up to the back, back to the front, so it's paired up, and then place it in. And now you should have 2 layers completely finished. After you're done with 2 layers, we move on to the 3rd layer, which is our last layer. This can get a little confusing because we can't really do any turns without breaking up anything that we had done before. So this requires us to memorize a few moves. In total, I'll be teaching you 4 different what we call algorithms, and these will help solve the last layer little by little. The first thing we want to look at after we solve the first 2 layers is just the edges. You'll notice here that I have 2 edges that are correctly flipped across from each other. That is one possible case. Another possible case is that we'll have 2 that are not, 2 that are flipped, 2 that are not. Except now the two edges that are correct are next to each other. You can also have 4 edges that are not correct at all, or you can have 4 edges that are all correct. So basically the move sequence that I'm going to be teaching you looks something like this. You turn the front down clockwise, then you bring this edge up, over, down, back over, and then bring this up. So again, down, up, over, down, back over, up.